How to fix Instagram Live not working on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open Play Store or App Store, and here make sure there is no update here, and if you found here update, just click on it. And now let's move to the next step. Now restart your phone and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, go to settings, this one for Android phones, go to apps, and then type Instagram and click on it. Then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. Now go to permissions, give it all of those permissions here, don't forget camera and microphone, and that's it. If that also doesn't fix your problem, then click clear data. You will need to log in again to your accounts, but that will fix your problem. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.